What's up, everybody? Steve here. We are buying land throughout the state of Florida, and we purchase individual lots, we purchase acreage, we purchase agricultural land, and we also purchase commercial vacant land as well. So I wanted to get this video out to talk about some of the reasons why people sell their land, and you may be facing a situation like this. For one thing, many times we get people that just want to cash out. They want to get a lump sum of money so that they can utilize that money for different projects, maybe in addition to their house, or maybe they want to utilize that capital and deploy it into another investment that makes more sense for them, that they can actively make more money as opposed to that money just sitting in land and not really making them any kind of cash flow. Other people who reach out to us, maybe you had a family member that passed away. The property could be in probate, which we can assist as well. And or you might have inherited a property after somebody passed away, like a parent who had it for many years, and you and your family just don't see any need for that land anymore, so we can help you out there as well. Other times you have people who decide not to build on the land. We see that a lot, where they realize that it just takes too much time, effort, and energy, and maybe they don't necessarily have the time to go ahead and build from scratch, and buying a pre-existing home may make more sense. Other times, sometimes people actually decide that the area that they bought the land in isn't necessarily an area that they have interest in residing or owning a property or owning a rental property. So they actually decide to go ahead and acquire a piece of land in a different area of Florida, or even out of the state of Florida. So they decide that this property doesn't make sense for them and their family any longer. Some people have, some people got sold situations where they thought maybe buying a piece of land and land banking is a good idea. In some cases it is, because over time you can get that appreciation, but sometimes land kind of just stays flat and doesn't make a whole lot of money, not necessarily the kind of money that maybe an investment property that would make residual monthly cash flow for somebody. So maybe the whole land banking doesn't make sense for you any longer, you decide to sell. And then obviously we have other situations like divorce, death in the family, or maybe sickness, where you want to just get rid of certain assets, simplify things for you and your family trust, and liquidate that land. Also, I want to talk about why people sell their land to us, and I encourage you guys to check out our 5-star Google reviews, which will be in the link in the description below. You guys can review those as well. I would say that we're very easy to work with. If you guys do inquire, you're going to actually speak to me directly. My cell phone number is in the link below. It's on our website. That is my direct line. You can contact me there anytime. And we're, like I said, we're a family-owned and operated company. We're easy to work with. If it makes sense for us, it makes sense for you guys, then we can construct a transaction with you guys. If it doesn't make sense for us, or it doesn't make sense for you guys, no harm, no foul. We'll do everything in our power to assist you guys regardless on basically what you guys are trying to accomplish with your land. Also, we handle all the paperwork, so everything associated with all the paperwork, as well as dealing with the title company and ensuring that whole process runs smoothly. We handle all of that process as well. And also we pay cash. A lot of our transactions for smaller lot deals we're able to close pretty quickly. We've closed some as quickly as 9 to 10 days. Other larger acreage parcels sometimes take a little bit longer, because we have to do necessarily due diligence, we have to do environmental studies, etc. And it's important that we know as investors what we're getting into in terms of acquiring the land. And also, some people actually would like to offer seller financing, which we can work that situation out as well for you guys as well. So if you have interest in, you don't necessarily need a lump sum of money, we can sometimes get you a higher purchase price if you guys offer seller financing or seller terms, and basically become the bank on it. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, you guys will find a link to our main website. I'll put in the link below. If you guys are on our website, there's multiple boxes where you're going to just simply fill out a handful of questions, and then I will call you guys usually within a 24-hour period to get you guys on the phone, talk about the specific situation and property, and get you guys an offer.